Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. In this video I'm going to be replacing a water hydrant over at the big property. It was one of those cheap Chinese ones that lasted 2 years, and the bottom valve went away and the upper valve upper casing split. And just as a reminder, members get a chance to see sneak peek videos, private videos, and member live streams, community posts for members only, and it's only 99 cents a month. All right, well, let's get at it here and do some digging work here and replace a yard hydrant. All right, I'm going to start this out going at normal speed as I work carefully around the hydrant. I don't want to just rip it out and wind up ripping out the water line down below. I also want to smash the panel there, for, fencing panel for the chicken run either. So the first couple swipes here are going to be at regular speed, and then I will speed it up a little bit for you. All right, I'm going to be getting off the excavator here a couple times and climbing down in the ditch with a shovel. And what I'm doing is I'm doing what's called probing. I'm digging around trying to find exactly where the pipe is at, so I don't dig up the pipe, but I can dig as close to it as possible to make room so I can get down there and work easily. So that's what's gonna happen when I get on and off the excavator here a few times. All right, I'm done digging now. I'm going to move the camera up close here so you can see what's going on down in the ditch there. You can be able to see the blue PEX pipe that I ran out here before. And I'm going to go down there. I'm going to dig around it, clear away around it enough where I can get in there, cut it without contaminating the water line, and get ready to make the change up from the old yard hydrant to the new one. All right, so I'm got to get down in here, and basically there's a T-post that was driven into the ground, and the yard hydrant was secured to it with tie wire, and I covered the tie wire with electrical tape to try to keep them rusting away too quickly before the ground settled in tight around the pipe of the yard hydrant. So I got to take all that stuff off, cut the wire, get it loose. I tied it in several spots, so that's going to take a minute or two here. But I got it on higher speed. Okay, not sure when it turned off, folks, but you know, we're backfilling. And we got the grandkids locked up with a chicken so they can't get in the hole. Hi, Aiden. Say hi to the camera.
Hi, Grandma.
Not grandma, camera.
Grandma.
Hey, YouTube people. All right. Okay, get some up over here now. As I'm backfilling here, I'm getting had my son-in-law run out to the shop and grab what I call a jet pipe. We use it in construction. We usually in construction we're using an 1.5-inch hose, but I'm hooking it up to the garden hose here, and what it does is it puts water down below into the dirt, not just at the top, but down deep, and causes it to settle and compact and for the air to work out of it. As you watch this, you'll see part of the pile there start shrinking down and settling down in. I'm going to take the excavator back across the street and grab the coyote and bring it over for the final cleanup here. Two of the grandsons want to take a ride with me over there, so I'm going to give them a ride on the excavator across the street. And then I will bring them back on the coyote. Alright, so now I'm cleaning up with the coyote. Got most of the dirt scraped off the lawn and pushed back into the ditch there. Now I'm going to wheel roll the ditch with the tires of the coyote to help get more compaction at it. So it'll compact better and won't leave divots and stuff, or leave a mound out there until it finally settles down in. So that wraps it up here pretty much for the compaction here of the ditch here. Just want to remind everyone that channel members get previews of some videos. They also get members only videos, members only live streams, and they are automatically enrolled in any giveaways that I have for the channel. Alright, Well, I'll see you around with some more tractor work here in a minute.